Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to solve critical alert in iPhone. So if you keep getting critical alert on your iPhone, or you want your iPhone to notify you based on priority when you have a notification, then you can just focus on resolving the issue around the critical alert feature on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to solve critical alert in iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to notifications. Click on that. Now, once you click on notifications, scroll down. Locate the application where you want to solve the issue of critical alert. So if, let's say, it is your Facebook or WhatsApp or messages, just go ahead and then click on it. Now, if you see critical alert under always deliver immediately, if critical alert is enabled and you turn off allow notifications, critical alerts still appear on the lock screen and play sound even if a focus is on or iPhone is muted. You see that? So even if you turn on silent mode on your iPhone or you enable focus on your iPhone, critical alert is still going to work. Now, to solve the issue of critical alert from appearing on your iPhone lock screen, all you need to do is come to the application like Messages, Facebook, WhatsApp, Messengers, X, Telegram, Instagram, etc. and then disable critical alert. And then you're good. So if you now choose to turn on silent mode on your iPhone, or you choose to turn on focus mode on your iPhone, no notifications will appear on your iPhone lock screen. So that is basically all you need to do to fix or solve critical alert in your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.